So, what's up everyone? Maria here, and today we're diving deep into something most of us use every single day, but probably not to its full potential. Google search. We all know how to punch in a few keywords, hit enter, and hope for the best. But there's a whole other layer to Google, a way to make it work much harder for you. I'm showing you 5 powerful Google tricks that work on both your iPhone and your desktop. Search deeper, faster, and smarter with 0 apps. These are built-in features, hiding in plain sight, ready to transform how you find information online. We're talking about precision, efficiency, and uncovering things you might have otherwise missed. It's about making the algorithm work for you, not the other way around. All right. First up, let's talk about Google operators. Think of them as secret codes you can type into the search bar to tell Google exactly what you want, and more importantly, what you don't want. One of my go-to operators is, let's say you're looking for budget iPhone tips, but you only want to see results from Reddit. Instead of just typing budget iPhone tips, you type boom. Google will only show you results from Reddit. And what about when you want to exclude certain terms? That's where the minus sign comes in. For example, if you're searching for iPhone tips, but you're tired of seeing all the rumor articles, you could search. This cleans up your search results significantly. You can even combine these operators. It's about layering your instructions to Google, guiding it more effectively to the exact piece of information you need. Whether you're on your desktop or quickly trying to find something specific on your iPhone, these operators are your consistent, reliable tools. It's a universal upgrade to your searching skills, and it's all built right in. Next up, let's dive into something that feels a bit like magic: reverse image search. You see a product, a plant, a piece of art, or even a cool gadget in a photo, and you're eager to know what it is or where it came from. Instead of trying to describe it with words, you can just use the image itself as your search query. On your iPhone, Google Lens is your best friend for this. You can snap a photo of something in the real world, or even use an existing photo from your gallery, and Google Lens will analyze it and try to identify objects, text, and even places within the image. On a desktop, it's just as easy. If you find an image online, you can usually just right-click on it, and you'll see an option like Search Image with Google. This is fantastic for tracking down the original source of a photo or finding higher resolution versions. If you're ever suspicious about a photo someone is using, you can do a reverse image search on it. It's a quick way to verify if the person might not be who they claim to be. It's also brilliant for shopping. See a cool pair of sneakers in an Instagram post, but the poster didn't tag the brand? Screenshot it, pop it into Google Lens or desktop reverse search, and chances are Google will identify the sneakers and even show you where you can buy them. Beyond products and people, it's great for identifying landmarks if you have a photo but don't know what you're looking at. So whether you're trying to identify that cool jacket you saw, verify an online acquaintance, or just learn more about something you photographed, reverse image search is an invaluable tool. It really opens up a new way of interacting with and understanding the visual information all around us. All right, let's talk about controlling the timeline of your search results. This is crucial when researching topics where timeliness matters. On your desktop, after you've made a search, look for the Tools button below the search bar. Click on that and you'll see a time drop-down menu. You can select ranges like past hour, past week, or past year. The real power comes with the custom range option. Specify an exact start and end date for your search results. Want to see reviews of the iPhone 12 only from the month it was released? This custom range filter lets you do exactly that. On mobile, request the desktop version of the site. You'll see the same tools button and time filter, including custom range. This feature is invaluable for researchers, students, journalists, or anyone needing specific period information. With date filtering, you can pinpoint information with surgical accuracy. Now, this next one feels a bit like having a superpower, accessing web pages that are no longer live or have been changed. We've all been there. You click a link to an interesting article or an important resource, and you're met with a dreaded 404 page not found error. Google often keeps a cached version of web pages. To access this, type followed by the URL of the page you want to see. If Google has a cached version, it will display it with a header showing when the snapshot was taken. For older versions, use the Internet Archive's Wayback Machine. Enter the URL, and it shows a calendar with archived snapshots. Click a date to browse the site as it appeared then. Combining Google Cache and the Wayback Machine gives you a powerful toolkit for recovering lost information. Let's talk about getting super fast results for common queries using Google shortcuts. These are quick commands that tell Google you're looking for a direct answer. For example, type Weather Atlanta for an instant forecast. Google will display a detailed weather card. For definitions, type Define Algorithm. Google shows a dictionary definition card. For flight status, type the flight number like AA123. It will pull up the current status of that flight. These shortcuts are simple and fast, perfect for quick information. So, there you have it. 5 Google search tricks that can seriously elevate your search game. From using operators to pinpoint exact information and reverse image searching to identify anything visual, to filtering by time and getting instant answers with shortcuts. These aren't obscure hacks. They're practical tools built right into Google, ready for you to use on your iPhone or desktop. The goal here is to help you search more efficiently and effectively. It's about saving time and finding better, more relevant information. Hopefully, you found these tips useful. If you want more tips, hit that subscribe button and drop your favorite Google trick in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.